Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out another product from the brand Macqueen. This is the Cushion Tint, which is for lips and cheek that I got in the shade number 2 Nude Coral. So if you're not familiar with the brand Macqueen, it's actually an Asian makeup product. And I've tried out some other products from this brand and other Asian makeup products on my channel before, and I love them. I'm always so excited to try out an Asian beauty product, makeup product. A lot of the times I just feel like they're different from the makeup products that I can go down the street and purchase at a store near me. And I believe I got this from stylevana, but I was looking this up online and you can get it at some other websites as well. It looks like the retail is pretty inexpensive, ranges from like $5 to $10, and comes in other shades as well. But even just hearing Cushion Tint Lip and Cheek is unlike anything I can really think of that I've tried, which makes me extra excited to try it out. So first things first, the packaging is cute. It's like a frosted glass, but let's see what the applicator is like. Oh, it's like a pointed tip doe foot applicator, and it seems like a thick kind of lip gloss texture is what it looks like to me. Oh my gosh. I didn't really expect this to have a smell to it. It smells kind of like a fruity, sour candy. There goes Dexter barking. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And unlike any other lip product I've really smelled before, but it doesn't smell unfamiliar. Like it just smells like a candy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a little swatch. Wow, yeah, it's definitely like a thick, creamy texture. Let's see how it blends. Ooh, blends nicely. So I feel like this will be really nice on the cheeks as a blush. And then I'm gonna have to kind of play around with how it'll be on my lips if I want to just do like a full, like spread it on, do more of like a tint, blend it out. But first, let's do some blush with this. So I'm just gonna do like a little bit of dots like that and blend it out with my finger. I just love to apply products with my finger. I'm sure you could use a sponge if you wanted to, but blends out really well with a finger and definitely gives a beautiful, bright flush of color. This shade kind of reminds me of like a watermelon shade. It's a little bit red and bright for what I typically like as a blush on me, but it is pretty. I do like this color. I don't want to apply too much, and I kind of did a big glob, so let's just try and maybe do a little bit of a lighter flush on this side. It looks really good on the skin too. Nice and smooth. I like it. It's not my favorite blush I've ever used, just because my personal preference of applying a blush is just to quickly go in with a brush and a powder. But for a cream blush, I think this is great. And if you prefer cream blush, I think you would like this. Now for the lips. Let's see how it works if I just kind of apply it like I'm applying like a lipstick, lip gloss. I feel like I'm making it a lot more complicated than it needs to be, because just applying it like this actually works great. It's a little bit sheared out, but I love the color of this. And it's also super easy to apply with this applicator. And the texture on my lips right now is, it's almost like a mix between a lip balm and a lip gloss. So it has more color to it, kind of like a lip gloss, but it's still a little bit sheer and it has a creamy kind of balm-like texture, but it is showing a little bit of dry texture since my lips are pretty chapped, but it's not very noticeable. But I do want to say it's not 100% hydrating and smoothing to my lips. So maybe I should have exfoliated my lips beforehand or even put on like a hydrating lip balm before applying this. But it still looks pretty good. I kind of want to go in with a little bit more. It does build up so that you can get more of an opaque color. And when I apply more of it, I see some more shine to the finish, making it look a little bit more like a lip gloss. And I feel like it's hydrating my lips even more so that there's even less of that chapped texture showing through. Oh, but I just love the look of coordinating blush and lip. So when I first applied the blush, I was like, it's fine, not like the most amazing color on me, not the most amazing formula, but seeing it with the lip makes me like the blush even more. So I feel like the more I'm wearing this, the more I'm applying it, the more I'm liking it. Like my lips are looking smoother and more hydrated. So I love it, and I love a 2-in-1 product. And most of all, I love this color. And seeing it with the blush makes me love the lip color more. Seeing the lip color makes me love the blush color more. So I'm very happy with this. Oh, I need to try out more Asian makeup products. So if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm so excited about this, and it's not like any other product that I really have in my collection. So I think this is perfect for travel. You can do a light tint of color on your lips. You can build it up and get more opaque, brighter color. You can use it as your blush as well, which I think is awesome. So I am very happy with this. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.